Murisei, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you the phrase excuse me in Shona. Okay, so excuse me in Shona, it's pamsoroi, pamsoroi, pamsoroi. It's that simple. So if you want to say excuse me in Shona, pamsoroi. Okay, so just to recap, excuse me in Shona it's pamsoroi. Thank you very much for watching. This brings us to the end of this video. Leave a comment. If you have whatsoever questions about Shona, please do leave them in the comment down below. We will definitely respond to you. Or if you have a video request that you want us to do for you, please leave it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Ndatenda. See you in the next one.